Function is a relation from set A to set B such that every element of A is related to a unique element of B. So from the definition, it is clear that every element of A has a relation with the different element of B, or some elements of A are related to a unique element of B. So now let us discuss some example of the functions. Say function f of x equal to x square, x cube, sin x, cos x, tan x, e raised to x, log x, absolute value of x. So by observing these functions, we can ask very simple question that out of these functions, which functions are 1 1, which are onto, which are both 1 1 and onto, which functions are neither 1 1 nor onto, or moreover this, which functions are even and which functions are odd. So let us discuss those four properties. So if you look at that this function f of x is equal to tan x, where the domain x is from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, then how do we check the given function is 1 1? We just draw a horizontal line. If the horizontal line intersect the function only at a particular point, then function is said to be 1 1, right? So here if we draw the horizontal line anywhere and it intersect the function only at a single point, then function is said to be 1 1. Here we have given the another example of f of x is equal to x square. Okay, so for this function we are going to check this function is onto or not. So again the same argument we have, we draw the horizontal line. If we can draw the horizontal line which does not intersect the curve, right? So see, here we are finding the lines, horizontal lines, more than one line which does not intersect the curve, right? So the function is not onto. Can I say that the same function is 1 1 or not? So if I draw the horizontal line which intersect to the curve, so here you can observe that the line is intersecting to the curve at more than one point. So it is intersecting at 2 points. So the function is not 1 1. Wherever the function f of x is equal to tan x over the domain minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, the horizontal line is intersecting only one point. So the function is 1 1, that we already discussed. Now see, let us discuss when we can say that the function is even or the function is odd, or the function is neither even nor odd. So here we have given the function f of x is equal to x square. So when x is greater than 0, then the point is moving on the curve x square. So with the same effect, when x is less than 0, then the purple colored point is also moving on the curve x square with the same symmetric effect, right? So this is how the even function is symmetric about the y-axis. So here one can observe that for the even function, the quadrant 1 is related to quadrant 2. If we have given the function f of x is equal to minus x square, then on the negative y-axis, how the symmetric curve is going to be drawn, and the curve which lies in quadrant 3 has the symmetric relation with the quadrant 4. We have given another function f of x is equal to x. This is an example of odd function where the quadrant 1 is related to quadrant 3. Now by observing the motion of the curve, you can easily check how the function is odd. Likewise, we have given f of x is equal to minus x, then the quadrant 2 is related with quadrant 4. We have given one more example. F of x is equal to sin x. By observing these 2 points which are moving on the curve, you can say that the function is odd. It is not difficult to check that for logarithmic function, exponential function, absolute value of the function, tan x, cosec x, sec x, all these are functions are 1 1 or not, onto or not, even or not, and odd or not. That easily you can check.